Welcome to Mad Lab! I'm your Mad Lad, host Isaiah Farm, and today we have a very fresh, clean, very nice looking lab coat to help make this ice cream makery experiment awesome! Here's what you need! Vanilla extract, ice, salt, sugar, and milk. Yeah! Let's begin! 2 tablespoons of sugar first. That's the second one. 1/2 tablespoon. Bloop, bloop, bloop. So, I'll just. Into a large Ziploc bag, combine ice and salt. Since we're such mad lads out here in the Mad Lab, we're going to use this big old grocery bag instead of a Ziploc bag because we don't have one. Combine ice and salt. Oh boy. I hope this works. Here comes the salt. Do-do-do-do. Now, I will very delicately pour this into here. See? Delicate. Place small bag inside the bigger bag and shake vigorously for 7 to 10 minutes. We'll be back after this cheesy video transition. We're back! And in the time that we had the break, I managed to grow out my mustache. Look at that. Handsome. And look at our ice cream. It looks pretty good, don't it? Bon appetit.
Suave.
That's good stuff, man. Man, I could eat this all day. Salt added to the ice lowers the melting point. For the ice to melt, it has to absorb heat from its surroundings, like the ice cream. As the ice is pulling the heat away from the ice cream, it allows the ice cream to freeze. Ice cream is also a compound. The ingredients are chemically combined and cannot be separated by physical means like a mixture. To separate the ingredients, there would have to be another chemical reaction. I'm Isaiah Farr, your Mad Lab Lad. Bye, guys.